Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Monday, August 14th, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now, on to today's headlines. Shutterfly, the California-based photography and image sharing company, is going to close its manufacturing plant in the Twin Cities region of Minnesota in June 2024. The layoff process impacting the 246 current workers will start in October and proceed in waves. Shutterfly officials say the plant closure is to boost business operations, with production work being moved to other plants. Shutterfly says it will help the impacted staff find new jobs and careers or change them to other